We all know how it feels to have a bad hair day. But for some of us, it's more than just a bad hair day. It's a constant struggle to maintain the health and thickness of our hair. If you're someone who has been dealing with hair loss or thinning hair, this video is for you. Today, we're going to be talking about the best natural remedies for hair growth and thickness. These remedies have been tried and tested by millions of people around the world, and they have shown remarkable results. So, let's get started. First up, we have eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, which is essential for healthy hair growth. They are also rich in biotin, which is a vitamin that promotes hair growth and overall scalp health. To use eggs as a natural remedy for hair growth, you can make an egg mask by whisking 1 or 2 eggs and applying the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. You'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and thickness of your hair with regular use. Next up, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most versatile natural remedies for hair growth and thickness. It contains lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft and helps to nourish and strengthen the hair from within. To use coconut oil as a natural remedy for hair growth, warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if possible, and then rinse it off with shampoo. Your hair will feel soft, shiny, and healthy. Another excellent natural remedy for hair growth is curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and amino acids, which help to strengthen the hair follicles and prevent hair loss. To use curry leaves as a natural remedy for hair growth, boil a handful of curry leaves in water and let it cool down. Use this mixture as a rinse after shampooing your hair. Your hair will feel stronger and thicker with regular use. Last but not least, we have castor oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is a fatty acid that helps to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It also contains omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which help to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles. To use castor oil as a natural remedy for hair growth, warm up a few tablespoons of castor oil and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if possible, and then rinse it off with shampoo. Your hair will feel softer, thicker, and healthier. These natural remedies for hair growth and thickness are easy to find and use. They are also affordable and safe, unlike many commercial hair products that can cause more harm than good. However, it's important to note that natural remedies take time to show results, and consistency is key. If you're serious about improving the health and thickness of your hair, I suggest keeping a hair care journal. Write down the natural remedies you're using, the frequency of use, and the results you're seeing. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Remember, taking care of your hair is not just about how it looks. It's also about how it makes you feel. Having healthy, thick hair can boost your confidence and make you feel more beautiful from the inside out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any natural remedies for hair growth and thickness that you swear by, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.